In this video, I'm going to explain how you can get a refund on PayPal. So you want to go to your recent activity. You want to click on Show All. Here you want to find the transaction that you want to attempt to refund. So I'm just going to go to this here and let's take this one for example. If we click on it, if you click on the transaction that you want to refund and scroll down at the bottom, you should see this report a problem. So you want to click on it. So from here, it will load a new tab. And as you can see, if your purchase was not sent as friends and family, you will have purchase protection. However, since this one is sent as friends and family, I don't have purchase protection. However, here's what you have to do. Here you will find the option to refund or to say that you haven't received your receive the thing that you paid for. So for example, I'm just going to click on this option. I suspect the subscription or recurring payment was not set up by me. And basically it's going to look like this. You want to click on continue, and right here, after you have selected the correct option for the fact that you haven't received the product that you paid for, here you will describe in details that you have not received the product, and then you gotta click on continue, and this will set you up with a PayPal representative, which means that they will ask for more information, prove that you haven't received the product, and then they will get back to you whether they can refund your money or not. So that's how it works. Hope this was informative. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.